Hello friends, wish you all happy new year 2022. May this year will be best ever year of your life. Today I am going to give railway establishment rule objective questions for all kind of railway departmental exam, and this is set number 9. Friends, if you like my video, kindly subscribe on my channel so that you can get updates, and also click on notification button so that you can get the updates as soon as possible. So today first question is Indian Railway Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering is situated at dash. Indian Railway Institute of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering. It is situated in Bihar at Jamalpur, Bihar. Indian Railway Institute of Mechanical and Electrical. India's first private train is dash. India's first private train is dash. This is Tejas Express. Tejas Express is the India's first private train. Number of railway recruitment boards are. Total number of railway recruitment board in India is 21. So the answer will be 21. 21. Total number of railway recruitment board. Here please note, railway recruitment control board is different, railway recruitment board is different. Next question, revised designation of Safai Wala is housekeeping assistant. Housekeeping assistant. The number of folios on correspondence side of a file should not exceed dash. The number of folios on correspondence side of a file should not exceed 300. Number of folios on correspondence side of a file should not exceed 300. Name of the register where file movement is entered. What is the name of that register where file movement is entered? The name of that register is file movement register only. File movement register, FMR. Where is the headquarter of East Central Railway? Or East Central Railway headquarter is located at ECR. This is also in Bihar at Hajipur. At Hajipur, Bihar, headquarter of ECR is located. Hajipur is on the bank of Ganga. So East Central Railway were inaugurated on 8th September. This is extra knowledge. East Central Railway was inaugurated on 8th September 1996 with headquarter at Hajipur, Bihar. It became operational on 1st October 2002 by carving out areas from Eastern and Modified Assured Carrier Progression Scheme has come into effect from Modified Assured Carrier Progression Scheme has come into effect from 1/9/2008 from the 1st September 2008. The highest pay level in 7th Pay Commission is level 18. Level 18, 18. What is the basic pay of an employee appointed in level 2 of 7th CPC pay matrix? What is the basic pay of an employee appointed in level 2 of 7th CPC pay matrix? The answer is 19,900. 19,900. How much minimum period gap is required between one increment and another increment of an employee? How much minimum period gap is required between one increment and another increment of an employee? The minimum period is 6 months. The minimum period which is required is 6 months, but the normal period is 1 year. Full form of CRIS is Center for Railway Dash System. Fill in the blanks. What is the full form of this? That is Center for Railway Information System. So here I means information. So all kind of information regarding railway is given by Krish. That's why it is information system. Center for Railway Information System. Railway Servant Discipline and Appeal Rules 1968 came into effect from, the answer is 1st of October 1968. 1st of October 1968. Normally in North India, October was famous for Dasahara. Railway Servant Discipline and Appeal Rules 1968 are not applicable to dash. Option A is any member of All India Service. Option B is any member of Railway Protection Force. Option C is any person in casual employment. And option D is all the three. So here answer will be D, which I bifurcate with the another color. So any member of All Indian Services, RPF and casual employment, they are not comes under Railway Servant Discipline and Appeal Rule 1968. A standard form used for placing a railway servant under suspension is, standard form used for placing a railway servant under suspension is, that is first standard form SF1. Deemed suspension SF2 and only suspension SF1. Dash is the least penalty under Railway Servant Discipline and Appeal Rule 1968. Dash is the least penalty under Railway Servant Discipline and Appeal Rule 1968. Option A, recorded warning. Option B, censure. Option C, warning. And option D, SF2. So which is the least penalty under Discipline and Appeal Rule 1968? The answer is B, that is censure. Censure is the least penalty. Computer advance is allowed a maximum of dash times during the entire service of a railway servant. Friends, please note this is updated data only. This is current data as per 2022. So the answer will be 5 times during the entire service. If I am a railway employee, I can avail 5 times computer advance only from the railway. More than 5 times we cannot avail. We cannot get. Quantum of amount for computer advance is 15,000 or actual price of computer, whichever is lower. Either 50,000 or actual price of computer, whichever is lower. Computer advance is recovered in such number of equal monthly installments as the railway servant may elect, but not exceeding dash installments. If I take a computer advance, so I can select that in how many installment I will give, but it should not exceed 150 installments. In 130 we know 120 we can give, but it should not exceed 150 installment. As per HBA rules, House Building Allowance rules, cost of the house to build or purchased, excluding the cost of plot, should not exceed 139 times of basic pay of the employee, subject to a maximum of dash amount. So here the maximum should be 1 crore, rupees 1 crore. Please note, these are all current data only. Again and again I am repeating. The rate of dearness allowance payable to railway employees as enhanced with effect from 1/7/2021 is, the rate of dearness allowance, that is 31%. 31%. The rate of operation theatre allowance has been revised to dash with effect from 1/7/2017. After that there is no revision. So this is the last revision only till 2021. So the answer will be rupees 540 per month. Rupees 540 per month. In case of running staff, ordinary rate of pay includes dash percent of basic pay. In case of running staff, ordinary rate of pay includes 30% of basic pay. So here answer will be 30%. 30%. All DA and others, in adding 30% in basics, then only it is included for running staff especially. Integral Coach Factory ICF is located at Dash. This ICF is located at Perambur, which is situated in city Chennai, and the state is Tamil Nadu. One answer also coming Ayanavaram. Ayanavaram is that local area. Accumulation of LAP is in a leave account up to a maximum limit of 300 days is effective from. This is a repeated question 2 or 3 times. I already repeated in my video. From 1/7/1997. Maximum limit of child care leave is, in short we can say 2 years, but the exact date is 730 days in the entire service. Not at a time, but in the entire service. How many days of joining times are permissible on transfer up to 2000 kilometers? How many days of joining times are permissible on transfer up to 2000 kilometers? That is 12 days. The answer is 12 days. In a calendar year, how many days of a special SCL may be granted to a railway employee while on a scouting duty? In a calendar year, how many days of special days SCL may be granted to railway employee while on a scouting duty? That is maximum 30 days. In short, we can say 1 month, but that is 1 month means 28 days also, 31 days also. So the answer will be 30 days. The longest railway bridge in India is Dash. The longest railway bridge in India is Bogeybill Bridge. Please note friends, this question has so many examinations. So please remember this. What are the total days of leave encashment including LAP and LHP is permissible at the time of retirement? What are the total days of leave encashment including LAP and LHP is permissible at the time of retirement? That is 300 days. How many days of maternity leave are permissible to a female railway employees? For female railway employees, maximum maternity leave is 180 days. They can avail 180 days maternity leave. For male, 15 days only, that is paternity leave. Number of restricted holidays that can be granted to workshop staffs are. There is no restricted holidays for workshop staff. So answer is nil. A study leave can be granted for not more than dash months during the entire service of railway servant. A study leave during the entire service of railway servant, the maximum should be 24 months. In short, we can say 2 years, but the correct exactly is 24 months. How many sets of privilege passes Group A and Group B officers are entitled to take in a calendar year? So the sets privilege passes given to Group A and Group B officers are 6 sets. 6 sets in a calendar year. For how many post-retirement complementary passes a retired Group C employees with less than 20 years of service is entitled in calendar year? If Group C employees retire without completing 20 years, they will not get any PRCP, post-retirement compulsory pass. So nil, answer will be nil. For how many school Past son or daughter of a railway employee is entitled. Any son or daughter railway employee can get 3 sets or 6 half sets of pass or pass as a school pass. If dependents are included in the privilege pass, then how many maximum number of members are permitted? How many maximum number of members are permitted? That is 5 if dependents are included. How many number of privilege passes will be issued to a special class railways apprentice SCRA in a calendar year? Number of privilege pass, that is 2 sets. Special class railway apprentice, 2 sets. How many maximum number of passes can be allowed to a suspended railway employee in a year? The answer is only 1 set. So whenever the employee is suspended, he can avail only 1 set pass. Thanks for watching my video, friends. If the collection of question is good, please give your comment accordingly, either good or bad. If my video is good, you please click on like button also. It will encourage me to upload more and more videos. Subscribe my channel and share with your